Hi, hello all. We're back with another video. So welcome to Techie Stupidzz. Please do subscribe and support us.
Today I'll be teaching you how to install Git Bash in your system, in Windows system.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Okay. Please guide me.
So you can search for Git Bash download.
Git Bash download. Okay.
Yes.
Git Bash download.
And whatever you're seeing, the first link, that is the official link. So you can just click on that.
Okay.
If you see in download session, you have, if you're using Mac OS, you can select that. If you're using Windows, you can select for Windows. If you're using Linux or Unix, you can do that. Which one are you using?
Okay. Currently I'm in Windows machine. Let me choose Windows.
Okay.
Okay, it is getting downloaded.
Yes. So once it gets downloaded, I'll be guiding you with other steps.
Okay. I opened this installation setup. So what should I do here?
You can just click on next. If you people have time, you can go through that license, whatever it is there.
Okay.
And this is the default location. We may not have to change here anything. You can just click and ensure that in this one, Git Bash here and Git GUI here will be checked. And it is checked for you. So you can click on next. If you want any additional icons, you can just click for that. But as of now, we don't need that. So we can just click on next. You can click on next. You can click on next, 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 next. Just leave whatever is selected by default and you don't change anything. It would be great. If you want any changes from your side, you can just do it. So as we see, we don't need any changes here, no? So you can just click on next. Next. Okay, if you want to run Node or Python, you can check it, but we are not using any of those. So you can just click on install. And now you can see it, all the files are getting extracted and it will be installed in your local system.
Okay. Installation is successful.
Okay, you can right click on the desktop.
Okay.
And open, click on Git Bash here. Or else you can just click start button and search for Git Bash there. So we'll check out the version so that we'll get to know whether Git Bash is installed properly or not. So we'll just write Git space hyphen version. Enter.
Please do subscribe and support us.